So in here I have 25 hibiscus leaves and 1 hibiscus flower, and I'm about to wash it and put it to soak so that it can make the lather that I'm going to use to wash my hair. So the first thing I do is I've washed the hibiscus and now I'm just letting it soak. I ripped up the leaves. I think it's important to rip them instead of cutting them. When you cut them, you get too much of a straight edge. So by ripping it, the imperfect lines actually help to release the substance that makes like the soap. So you can see I've just teared up the leaves, and I'm gonna wait and let it get let the lubrication or whatever, the soap substance, leak out, and then in a few minutes or maybe in about half an hour I'll kind of like rub the leaves together as though I was like washing out clothes, and then let it rest again before I use it as the base of the shampoo. So next we have cactus. Some people call it, I think it's like something pear. I'm gonna have to look it up again, I forgot. But anyways, it's a cactus. And what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna grate it and then add a little bit of water to it, and then it creates this super thick slime. And so I'm gonna use the hibiscus, the cactus, and then one last ingredient as the base of the shampoo, Natural Shampoo. So now I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, but just trying to show you, I added quite a bit of water just because I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna do two types of rinses. I'm gonna mix it with hibiscus, and then I'm also gonna just do a separate like pure cactus wash. So yeah, first round I'm gonna do a shampoo with hibiscus, cactus, and lemongrass, and then afterwards, after I wash my hair with that, then I'm gonna use just I'm gonna do like a plain cactus mask. Just basically leave the cactus slop in my hair for a little bit, maybe half an hour or so. Look at that. And then after that, I'm gonna rinse it out and I don't know, I haven't figured out what the next step is gonna be after that. But yeah, so far so good. Let's see. And so can you guess what this is? Yep, lemongrass. So that's gonna be the last ingredient for the shampoo. Okay, so this is the cactus and hibiscus mix. It's equal parts of both. So I'm about to put this in. Oops, I'm trying to get you to see can you see the consistency? It's thick. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna put it in my hair.